I'm Ann Stout. I'm a personal injury attorney. So I handle car accident cases, dog bite cases, and slip and fall cases. So if you've been in a car accident, feel free to give me a call. I can help you understand what rights you have with respect to your own coverage with your own auto carrier. They should actually pay you for your medical expenses. They should compensate you for any time missed from work. They can even pay you if you're having difficulty doing your household tasks, and I can help you understand and obtain those benefits. I will also help you put together your liability claim against the at-fault driver, and I will help you get compensated for the physical pain and the discomfort that you've been in since the accident that they caused. So if you've been in a car accident, or if you've had an incident with a dog bite or a slip and fall, please feel free to give me a call, or you can also contact Peter. Peter helps me communicate with clients, and he is willing to stick with us throughout the entire process to help us communicate so that I always understand what's going on with you and you can understand what's going on with your case.
Nyiaj này gì cái tên anh trả, để nó nhà bé khỏi chờ hạt lo hành đồ, giờ nên một chơi xí tròn, nên một ô tỏ, nó giờ nên một nửa đây tay chế nên tỏ, sau sẽ để hồ đồ bé, bé giờ khỏi chờ hạt lo hành đồ, bé giờ đò nên hạt nên trong lo gọi chấm con sản nô, nên tôi tự nhiên xem là lo, ba nên thế thì nên tên người nông người tên mình được khẩu, giờ nên đợi của giờ khi nào lo, của tôi sợ tao nhà cho sườn bé, ý sườn chi, lo sườn cho xa, vật trọng.